Right. So as you can see, another payment came today from the IPS email marketing system. And as you can see, I got a payment of $260. And you can even see August 28th. So it's today, right? That's amazing. So these are possibilities of what you can earn when you are using an email marketing system. And in this video, I'm going to explain how you yourself can start earning income online using an automated email marketing system. So make sure you watch the video to the very, very end. All right. So welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Victor Efui from Alberta, Canada. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel or your first time of seeing my videos, then do this right now. Go below this video you are watching right now and click that subscribe button. Come on, do that. Click that subscribe button and also click the bell notification button. All right, awesome. So this is not the only payments that I've received with this system while I'm using this system. Okay, you can see the payment here of $260. You can also see that I get other payments, $424 here, $360. Are you seeing that? $220 in commission. Look at another payment here, $300 in commission. How much? $359, $317, $366, $260 in commission, $600 in commission. Are you seeing that? Look at this, $621 in commission. How much is this? $600 in commission, $300 in commission, $900 in commission, $300 in commissions, $100 in commission, $2,000 in commission. So you can see that I'm able to earn commissions of different amount because I am using an email marketing system. All right. Now, how does this system work? One, it builds your email list for you. Then two, it follows up with your lead automatically. So this is a fully automated system. It follows up with your lead automatically, and then it closes sales for you automatically. Then, by using this system, you will earn commissions and you will get paid daily while you are building your email list. So this system is powerful, and I'm going to explain more about the system. And let me show you at least two products that I am promoting that using this email marketing system. Okay. Now look at this product here. Let it load. Let me refresh it. Let me just do a little refreshing. All right. So I just want you to see this product. It's actually called the HBA. I'm also promoting this product using the email marketing system, okay? And as you can look up here, you will see that I'm already at $30,609. $30,000, guys. Look at it again. $30,609. And you can see the way the commissions are coming. How much is this? $160. Then you have $20, $20, $20, $20. And today we have $120. So when you are using an email marketing system, like I told you, it's fully automated. With the system, you will be able to promote multiple products at the same time, and that's why I'm able to earn a lot of commissions because the system does all the work for me. All right. Now let's check another product that I am promoting also. And this product is called the OLSP system. And you can see how much I've made. Let me refresh it again. Let me just refresh it so that you can see that it's real figure, okay? It's not like it's not like we made it up, okay? So as you can see, $7,439. Can you see that? $7,439, and you can see the way the commissions are coming in. All right. So what is this system we are talking about? It's called the IPS email marketing system. That's what it's called, the IPS email marketing system. Now with this system, it totally does all the work for you. Let me go to my notes immediately. Let me go to my notes so that you can understand how this total system really work. Okay, so this system is called the IPS email marketing system. You can also call it the infinity processing system. So this is a fully automated email marketing system. Okay, now what it does is very simple, just 4 things. 1, it builds your email list automatically. Okay. 2, it follows up with your leads by email automatically. So you don't have to write emails. You don't have to do any of that. The system does it for you, okay? 3, it closes sales for you automatically. So it closes low ticket sales, medium ticket sales, high ticket sales, recurring income sales, instant payment sales. It does all those for you automatically, okay? And you will be able to earn instant commissions of $300, $600, or $1,200 instantly while you are building your email list. So you actually get paid to build your email list. How do you like that? Awesome, isn't it? It's awesome. And with this system, there is no monthly fees at all. No monthly fees at all. That is amazing. Now, if you want to get started with this system right now, you want to start earning instant commissions while you are building your email list, what you want to do is this. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, please go to the first link that says step 1, join the Infinity Processing System. Go ahead, click that first link. Now, once you click the first link, that will bring you to this page, okay? So this is a capture page website. So once you get to this page, all you want to do, just enter your first name here. Let me show you. And then you enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says Get Instant Access. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Now, once you click the yellow button, that will now bring you, that will now bring you to this page, right? Awesome. So look, you can go ahead and watch the video on this page, all right? So why is it is loading? So you can go ahead and watch this video, but to actually get started with this system, it's very simple. So just scroll to the very end. Make sure when you are scrolling, you make sure my picture and my face is there so that you know that you are in the right place, okay? Then you scroll to the very end, okay? Now, why I like this system is this. You can get started at any level you can afford. All right, so there are about 5 paid products that you can join with. So there's the $50 level. Okay, so if all you can afford is $50, you can start at the $50 level. But if you want to earn more money, you can start at the $150 level, or if you want to make much money, then you should start at the $300 level. But if you want to do very well, earn good money while you are building your list, you can start at the $600 level. But this is the highest level, is the $1,200 executive level. So listen carefully. This is the most recommended level that you can get started with. All right. Now, one thing I want to tell you with this system, whatever level you join, that is the highest you can earn. Okay, that's why you see so many people are joining at the $1,200 executive level, because at this level you will earn commissions from every level. That's why you see I'm earning at the $150 level, $300 level, $600 level, because I am at the $1,200 executive level. And this is simple. There is no monthly fees. So once you join, you are paying for life, and that's awesome. So whenever you start making sales, that means that you are going to continue to make profit. All right, amazing. So if you are ready and you want to get started at the $1,200 executive level, you just come to this blue button, click that blue button, pay your $1,200, and then you also pay your administrative fee, so that your own website will be designed just like this. All right, awesome. So once you have done that, you will now get into the members area, and this is the members area. Okay, now one of the things I love this system for, there are only 3 steps for you to start making some substantial amount of money with this system, and it's fully automated. All right, you don't have to really set up anything. Okay, so once you have paid your money and you have paid your administrative fee, you have full access to the members area. And like I said, there are just 3 steps, and you can see that step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so in step 1, which is where we are, you need to watch this short video, and you have to join our Facebook group. So let me click on that. Okay, so this is our Facebook group. Just give it a little bit of time. I think the internet is a little slower today. It's really slow today. It's amazing. Can you see? That's our Facebook group. And as you can see, there are over 49,000 members in our group. So is that not amazing? Over 49,000 members in our Facebook group. So 49,000 people are already using this system and are already making some good amount of money on the internet. So what about you? So I highly recommend that you join our team today. Okay, awesome. So that is just step 1. And also you need to set up your profile in step 1. That means you need to add your photo just like mine, so that your own page look great. Okay, now once you are done with step 1, then you go to step 2. This is where you get your own affiliate link, so that you can start promoting the system. Okay, so you just click here and you click where it say get your website link. That's step 2, right? Now once you are in step 2, now you need to set up how you want to really get paid. Okay, so how do you want to get paid? Do you want to get paid by credit card, PayPal, Wise, Cash App, Zelle, cryptocurrency? How do you want to get paid? So you want to set that up immediately. Okay, so once you have set up how you want to get paid, then you now get your own website link here so that you can start promoting the system immediately, okay? And then start bringing in traffic, start making some good amount of money for yourself. All right, so that's step 2. Now let's go to step 3. Now with step 3, this is where you want to automate the system completely so that the system does everything for you. So you click on step 3 and then you click that and then you follow the instructions here. You follow the instructions to fully automate your system, okay? So that your system, 1, will build your email list for you. 2, it will follow up with your lead. And 3, it will close sales for you automatically, hands-free. So this is where you come, watch the video, and set up your own automated sales system. All right, how do you like that? Awesome, right? Then there are other videos and training that you need to watch so that you can perfect your marketing skills. Okay, let me just show you a few. Now you have Facebook marketing mastery, you have Craigslist master marketing, you have Instagram marketing, you have ChatGPT AI, you have faceless marketing, you have YouTube marketing, you have TikTok marketing. So there's a lot of training here for you to really become good at getting traffic and getting sales. Okay, awesome. So that is how this whole system work. It's very simple. All right, so if you want to actually get started with my team, just go below this video and join my team today. Okay, now for joining my team, I am giving out some free bonuses. Okay, so like I was saying, once you join my team, I'm going to give you some free bonuses, okay, to help your marketing so that you can generate a lot of traffic and also close sales with this automated system. Now, the first bonus you are going to get from me is a free 1,300 email swipe so that you can use that to send out email broadcast and really get sales. Okay, now you can also get classify ad headlines, classify ad body, 200 pre-written ads, 50 pre-made images, and some training videos to help you generate traffic and sales. Now let's look at some of these images. Now you can see the images here. You can just post them on Facebook and use that opportunity to generate a lot of traffic. Okay, so this is amazing. So there are over 50 of them and you have your hand. You can access all of them for free once you decide to join my team in the IPS email marketing system. All right, awesome. So if you are ready right now, uh, and you want to join my team, like I said, go below this video, click that first link and join my team. Okay, and for joining my team, I am going to work with you. I'm going to offer you free one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one mentoring, free one-on-one coaching, right? So that is amazing. And I'm also going to give you those free bonuses. All right, so look, if you like this video, please click the like button, also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I will respond to all the questions. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.